welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is storage devices. Learning aims. What are storage devices? CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drives, memory cards. अब आपका कंप्यूटर मेमोरी कैसे स्टोर करता है, किन डिवाइसेस से करता है? Let's study about them. So just like shelves are used in library to store books and keep them organized, computers have their own special way of storing and organizing photos, video and games. It is called the storage device. अब जैसे लाइब्रेरीज में आपके शेल्व्स होती हैं बुक्स को रखने के लिए, सिमिलर वे में कुछ डिवाइसेस होती हैं कंप्यूटर के पास जो मेमोरी को स्टोर करती हैं. Let's dive in and learn more about them in detail. Before that, quiz was, and these questions you have to answer them on your own. Now, exploring different storage devices. Number one is CDs and DVDs. CDs, compact discs, and DVDs, digital versatile discs, are round, shiny discs that can store lots of information. We can use them to save music, movies, games, etc. अब आते हैं CDs और DVDs पे. छोटी सी होती हैं, फ्लैट होती हैं. इसमें आप वीडियोस, वीडियो गेम्स, ऑडियोज, म्यूजिक, फाइल्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Then you have the hard disk. Hard disk are fixed inside the CPU box. It can store a large amount of data. We can store pictures, movies, games, etc. on a hard disk. Each computer must have a hard disk. अब आते हैं hard disk. CPU box के अंदर ये होता है, large amount of data ये store कर सकता है. It lets you store in the pictures, the images, the movies and all kinds of games also. Then you have the USB drives, the pen drives. USB drives, also known as the pen drives, are small devices that we can carry around easily. It is also used to store the work we do on a computer. It can store huge amount of data but has less space than the hard disk. We can easily plug in the pen drive into the USB port of CPU box. अब आते हैं USB पे, जो कि उनको पेन ड्राइव भी बोला जाता है. आसानी से आप इसे कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो. इसमें भी बहुत सारा डेटा आप स्टोर कर सकते हो, बट हार्ड डिस्क के कंपैरिजन में उतना डेटा इसमें स्टोर नहीं हो पाता है. आसानी से आप इसको CPU बॉक्स USB पोर्ट की मदद से आप इसको इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. And then you have the memory cards. Memory cards are tiny flat devices that we often use in cameras, phones and other gadgets. They're little like storage boxes that hold photos, videos and other data. अब आपकी मेमोरी कार्ड छोटी सी चिप होती है, इसको आप अपने लैपटॉप्स, कंप्यूटर्स, टैबलेट्स, मोबाइल फोन्स में डाल सकते हो. इसमें भी आपका कुछ हद तक स्टोरेज होती है एंड यू कैन feed or store inside this a lot of images, videos and whatever you want to. Now tech nuggets, do you know that the smallest storage device in the world is smaller than your fingernails? It's called the micro SD card and it can store thousands of photos, videos and songs. अब सबसे छोटा जो storage device है वो आपकी इस वाली fingernail से भी छोटा सा होता है. इतनी छोटी चिप होती है, but despite of being such small, बहुत सारी हजारों फोटोज वीडियोज इसके अंदर भी स्टोर हो सकती हैं. Now let's sum up. Storage devices store the work that we can do on a computer. Hard disk stores large amounts of data and is fixed inside the CPU box. Pen drive is a portable storage device but it has less space than the hard disk. A CD stores less amount of data than a hard disk and pen drive. Now storage devices जिसकी मदद से आप अलग अलग चीज़ें feed कर सकते हो, memory बढ़ा सकते हो and different kinds of storage device होती हैं जैसे कि USB, which is also the pen drive, the hard disk, CDs and DVDs. Let's explore yourself. Take the correct option. Where is the hard disk usually located in a computer? It is inside the CPU box. Option number B. B, fill in the blanks. CDs and DVDs are round and shiny discs. Write T for true and F for false. A hard disk cannot store movies or games. This is wrong. A hard disk can do that. So this is a false statement. Now match the following. Number one is a backpack. First के साथ ही आप इसको match कर देंगे. Answer the following questions in brief. What is a storage devices? Storage devices are the devices which lets you store informations like huge movies, photos, etc. in one particular place. Tech fun, match the pairs, fun analogies with computer storage. Memory card is to phone as hard disk is to the computers. B, classification, circle the one which does not belong to the group. तो CD, pen drive और last में hard disk एक ही group में आती है, monitor इस group में नहीं है. Let's talk tech. Talk about how storage devices helps us to keep important pictures and videos safe. अभी हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है किस तरीके से storage devices आपको बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों को store करने देता है. You just have to talk about it and discuss it in the class. Life skill activities. Explore different storage devices like CDs and pen drive in your computer lab. Write down 3 things you would discover about each device to reach how they are used. अब अपनी classes में जैसे CDs और DVDs जैसी storage device हैं उनके बारे में आपको discuss करना है. So students, with this we have come to the end of this chapter. Go through this chapter thoroughly and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourself.